and we're recording.
What kind of train do you think it is, Daddy?
Probably a BNSF.
Yeah, but
Let's put
so we want to focus on only one spot.
for a second.
It looks like there's 2 leaders. Do you not have to?
Are you gonna wave? Scoot over this way. Six. 6175.
Daddy,
Yep.
I think we've seen that train before.
Really?
I think we've seen it before.
Cool. Tripod wants to lean. Yeah. Going to fly. So this one's full of coal and going south, and the other one is empty and it's going north. Yep. Came in about 12:23. What were the locomotives? You don't know what kind they were?
Actually, they were BNSF.
Right, no, but what were they? Were they like SDs?
No, ES44.
Oh, ES44. Okay.
ES44.
Both of them?
Yep.
I think I maybe see DPUs coming.
It is here still for 2 minutes.
Yeah, almost 3. We have?
Yeah, actually, 9340 had a red light on it. That's cool.
All right. Do you have anything to say?
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.
All right.